Hello friends, this is Abhilasha and thank you for selecting this video. Today I am going to tell you about present simple tense, or you can also call present indefinite tense, in 3 sentences. First, affirmative sentences, second is negative sentences, and the third one is interrogative sentences. Let's start. Affirmative sentences, it is very simple kinds of sentences and you can use like I eat mango. You can add subject plus verb plus object. I, first person here. Eat is a verb and we use in affirmative sentences the first form of the verb. I eat mango. And in negative sentence we add do not, or you can use contraction form also. I don't eat mango. The same sentence in affirmative sentences, I eat mango, and in negative form, I do not eat mango, or you can say I don't eat mango. The third one, interrogative sentences. Friends, if you want to ask someone or somebody asks you, so how can you ask the question in present simple tense? Very simple it is, and you have to use do, the helping verb first, and then subject, then eat, verb, and object. Helping verb do plus subject plus action verb plus object. Second example I have, he goes to office. He goes to office. He is the third person singular number. We use s or es with the verb. With the first form of the verb we use s or es. When the subject is third person singular number. He goes to office. And in negative sentence, he does not go to office. Let's see the difference between first person and the third person singular number. We use do not or don't with first person or with the plural form. But the third person singular number, if the subject is third person, so we use does not go to office. He does not go to office. Or in contraction form you can use he doesn't go to office. And how do you ask question? How would you ask a question? Does he go to office? You use helping verb does first, then subject, then verb will be in a base form, and then object. The third example I have, they write a poem. They, third person plural form. They write. Write is a verb. Subject, verb plus object. They write a poem. And in negative form, they do not write a poem. Or in contraction form, they don't write a poem. And interrogative question, if you want to ask someone, so do they write a poem? First helping verb will come, then subject, then verb, action verb, and then object. Next example, we sing a song. We sing a song. We, first person plural form. We use first form of the verb and then object. We sing a song. Negative sentence, we don't sing a song. We do not sing a song. We, in interrogative sentence, do we sing a song? Do we sing a song? Fifth example is that it rains. It rains. It is affirmative sentence. It In negative sentence, it doesn't rain. It is third form. It is the third person singular number. We use does not. It does not rain. And in interrogative form, we use does it rain? Does it rain outside? So friends, it brings me to the end of the lesson, and it was the three types of sentences in present perfect tense, present simple tense, affirmative sentence, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences. I hope you will like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to press the bell icon. I will come soon with the next lesson. Till then, bye.